Hello guys, welcome to EcomTel. Today we are going to learn about how we can connect or contact with Flipkart seller support team and how we can get resolved our query quickly. So in this video, we are going through all the process. Before begin the video, I would like to request you, if you are new at our channel, please do like and subscribe our channel as we regularly post e-commerce and GSTI related videos. Let's start the video. Connecting with Flipkart seller support team, we have to log in our Flipkart seller dashboard. For login Flipkart seller dashboard, we need to type Flipkart seller login and then click on the seller.flipkart.com. It will redirect you to your Flipkart seller dashboard. Now this is your Flipkart seller dashboard. This is your Flipkart seller dashboard. Here you manage all your Flipkart seller account. Here you get all the options like home listings, inventory, orders, payments, growth reports, advertising. So these options help you to manage your Flipkart seller account. So because we need to connect with the Flipkart support team, so there is an option named help. So we need to click on this tab. Click on this tab, and here you get some FAQs. You can read about these FAQs if you want to, and if you want to read more about this, you can also connect redirect you to Sailor Learning Center. For this, you need to click on the Sailor Learning Center. Because we need to contact with contact Sailor support, so click on the contact Sailor support. Here are some options where you can select your queries. Maybe your query related to orders and delivery, and in the orders and delivery you maybe particular want to ask something about buyer order and verification, logistic related queries, complaint, order cancellation assistance. So here more option you can go through, and there is another tab which is related to listing and catalog. So all the listing and catalog related query, you need to all the listing and catalog related query you can ask assistant from Flipkart seller support team. Account your query may be related to accounts related or inventory management, seller performance, promotions related query, advertising related query. So first you need to uh, ask yourself what type of query you asking and what kind of support you want from Flipkart support team. So I want to cover you because my query is related to orders and delivery. Click on the orders and delivery. So my query is related. I want to verify the buyer and I want to verify the order. So I click on this, and here you get some popular buy and order verification. So you can click on these. Maybe I want to verify the order quantity. I have received a duplicate order. I want to verify my orders buyer address. I want to verify my replacement order detail. I want to verify my orders detail. How can I check if customer is fraud or not? So these you can have these kind of queries. So my query is I want to verify the order buyer or buyer address. So my query is I want to verify my orders buyer address because I got the order and now I want to verify it. And so after this, this is saying currently Flipkart does not support direct communication between customer and seller. Flipkart has strict systematic checks to ensure that the customer address verification are performed upfront. An order reaches you only if it has passed these systematic checks. Hence, it is unlikely that you would have received an order with the wrong update. Was this answer helpful to you? If your query is resolved, you can click on the yes. But if your query is not resolved, now you can click on the now create seller support tickets. I want to create seller support ticket. So for the for my query here, you can check the option primary email. It is already coming is your subject, and this is the description. Here you have to mention all related to query. Here you need to mention all the detail as much as possible related to your query. So I want to mention here, I want to verify, I want to verify the order which I got today. Order ID is, so I'm going to take the order ID which I want to verify. So I will click on the active order section and click on the active orders. Click on the pending orders and over and click on the, so I need the order ID. So this is the order ID which I can take. So I copy this order ID from here and mention here and request to do the needful ASAP. So I need to put the order ID here also, and this is the callback number which I will get the con. I will this is the callback number which I need to mention here, and click on the submit button. So this was the process which you can create. You can see your ticket has been created, reference number. So this is the way you can connect with the Flipkart support team. I hope you like the video. Please share and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.